Hello. Oh. What do you have there? Is that a guy? Oh, learning how to throw, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh. Now what? Magdalena. Hi. Whoa. What was that? Did you lose him? There he is. Yeah. You're trying to stand up. Hard to do with guys in your hands, huh? Oh, you're going to give him to me? Thank you. There. Thank you. There you go. Thank you. There you go. Yeah, you do. You want to stand up, don't you? Whoa. Usually you use hands. There. Now what? Oh, two? Thank you. No, I didn't think you really wanted to give them to me. Little drooler. Mm-hmm. Hi. Mm-hmm. The camera. You pointing at it? Sure enough. Say hi. Nana, can you say hi? Mm-hmm. No. No. Can you say... Oh, I know. Magdalena, do you have eyes? Yeah. Your eyes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hi. Silly girl. Should I take him? Yeah. Thank you. Here. Oh, got him back. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. You do it. Good girl. Bye-bye.